Auntie Jemima na uri urutaga wira gwa gukena FM na gikoragwa gikirehe tabarira ya drive show kana express kuma muthenya wa mwambiririo ngina Friday riu ni arikite gukorwo agigituma ndumiriri aria yagikorwo igigitiga andu aingi makiri na kimako kinene muno na Auntie Jemima uria oho agikoragwo akiri comedian kana muthekania arikirie gukiruta ndumiriri no mathaa manini mathituku agikiuga ati riu ihinda ni ikinywa gikorwo agikiuma thini wa mutambo wa gukena FM na giguthomera ndumiriri Auntie Jemima aikorirwa gikiruta thini wa mutambo wake wa Facebook ni ati 7 years ago I got into radio, my first love, and started an incredible journey of laughter, lessons, growth, and networking. That journey has been very fulfilling, but just like any other good thing, it has come to an end. My purpose at GUKENA FM Kenya is fulfilled and vice versa. Thank you for tuning in every Monday to Friday from GUKENA Drive Express. And on Sundays, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. for Cocktail Sunday. We enjoyed this one, right? Tune in for my last show today, 3 to 7 p.m. Time to exit and explore. It's been real. Yo kiremwe ya ndumiriri ya Auntie Jemima agikorirwo agigituma na ota mutuguma fans matina kia gwikorwo magigimutumira ndumiriri cia kumuwish all the best ona akukimwendithiria amawega na mundu gwitwa MC Jimmy Kajimu gikorwo magikiruta wira hamwe nake akimwirite wishing you all the best and may God order your steps. Mundu gwitwa Grerix Kamura ikimira wale wa you are the reason I used to listen, now I won't listen, blah blah blah, the floor is yours. Sherry all the best darling. Mundu gwitwa Jonato gikonyo may favor shower upon your life, my sister. More doors and big doors ifunguke. Gwedete muno wagare witu gaya kwa bararie. Modoge ogwetwo Jane Gishia. The Sunday was lit, one with the sections the best. Thank you, Auntie. You have great impact. Modogwetwo Susan Mobikinyajui. There is always a beginning and end of something. All the best in your endeavors, Auntie Jemima. Shikabaya, all the best. Tata ishwekeri mweshado miriri iria andu maikorirwo magigitumira Auntie Jemima magikemu wish all the best agikirikia gukiuma mutambo-ini wa gukena na ona kuria kungi agwikorwo agigithie nguririkania macio na mamwe mamara tukiuma namo na ni undu wa news ici na ingi nyingi nguhena gitwe witigire gukorwo gigisubscribe kwa Gikuyu Flavor Media na ugikorwo kihinya notification bell nigetha hindu ciothe tugikira video njeru ugikoragwo kiri wa mbere gukorwo ukimiamukira nie njitagwo Nyarari ya Murang'a ni ngatho.